Hello, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can fix posts getting removed on Reddit. Now, a lot of people have this problem. It's very common, and the best way to fix this is to check your karma. Okay, so you may say, okay, what is karma? Like, to prevent spammers, there is a limit to how often redditors can post and comment in a community. Like if you are a brand new and don't have a lot of karma yet, you may be hitting this spam filter. And if you are brand new to community, that's especially sensitive to spammers. uh, you may also be hitting this filter. So what I mean is, like, you just need to click on your profile in the top right, okay, and then click on your view profile, and here you will be able to see your karma level. Now if it's below 4, like if it's like below 4 or 5, is like that's likely keeping you out from where you want, like where you wish to post. Okay, it's best to earn karma in communities with no to low karma restrictions first. Okay, so what I mean exactly, like most, like many subreddits like have lower or no karma filters, so that's why you can like earn karma fast. Okay, so like it's available for, like, this is more a good thing for new users. Okay, there are like often less strict rules as well, so on the some subreddits. Okay, so you just need to find these subreddits. You just, for example, you just need to find like a communities, like find communities that you know something about, and comment on the post, and you will get karma fast. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Also about the age, so like some like subreddits have age restrictions. Okay, so you may also know the reason. If the post got removed, you can just click on the open box here, and you will be able to see the reason why your post was removed. So it's very easy for you to see exactly what's happening, and you can easily fix this by seeing the reason here in front of you. Okay, if it's age related, or if it's like I said, karma or something like that. Also, like, check your post for any suspicious links, or like bad language, topics that may trigger a spam filter. Now, I'm not saying you need to do this all the time, but if it was removed and you don't know the reason, you can just go, like I said, to notification, and you will be able to see here the reason. If it's like spammy links or anything like that, you will be able to see the reason here. But most of the time, it's just, you just need to go to the subreddit and check the rules. Okay, so you can go to the subreddit, and you can check the rules and see exactly the thing that you can do and you cannot do. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.